Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we'll talk about ICP, and this will be the greatest example. Never say never and never fall in love in any altcoin. Let's dive in. So, guys, million times I explained to you. So, fundamental absolutely doesn't matter. Absolutely, because if fundamental so important, how? And can you explain me how the ICP can drop from I can't even imagine. So this is a Binance. I don't want to even scroll it higher. So from 700 or 800 or even 300 to $4. How it even possible? So the fundamental of ICP change it? Basically not. All right, it's global one. Nice. I don't want to talk about a market capitalization because it's also just random numbers, because it's just a formula. It's not how much money, on the table, real money on the table. It's just a formula because we multiply just the amount of token to the current price. And this is like market capitalization. But this is not a real amount of money, USD, in this token. It can be even the 100 billion. But it doesn't mean the 100 billion invested in ICP. So it's a big difference between the real liquidity in token and just the market capitalization. That's the point. Next moment, guys. I don't want to insult anyone, but ICP, under ICP videos on the Cardano, XRP, SHIB, and HBAR, all the time, if you say something bearish, people harm you, and blame you. You don't understand the fundamental. You don't understand. You're too late. Blah, blah, blah. All this stuff. We never dropped so low. You're just a dream boy. And here we are. So around here, we pump it. Pretty good one. So, I post a lot of videos about ICP, and I've been bullish on ICP. But at $20, it was a logical exit zone because we traded way over exit line. We closed the weekly gap, this one, and I post someday we can drop to the fundamental value or the buy line. That time in March 2024, the buy line was at $4.93. We bounce it. People once again they're screaming, no, you're just so jealous because you missed the ICP. Be ready for the super cycle. Here we are, guys. I mark here's the buy line, here's the fundamental value. So what next, guys? Never say never. I'm not complaining about ICP. I'm not blaming anyone, but it's kind of strange when the people just defend some token just because they invest in it. And if they invest, they think, oh, from my starting point, from my entry, the token should pump 10x, 100x, 1000x. It doesn't work like this one because the market absolutely doesn't care. And especially, guys, fundamental absolutely doesn't matter. Believe you or not, because geopolitics matter, right? The world economy matter, the big elites, big leaders, their thoughts, what they share in the social, this affect the market more than some fancy roadmaps and some fancy vision of the some token. That's a big deal, guys. And any token, it's a good opportunity to buy and sell, Don't fall in love in any token. But of course, it's up to you. But guys, when the people stuck in some token, they always will find as much as possible reason, explain and defend themselves. So no. I'm a long-term holder. I'm a diamond hand. No, you're not diamond hand. You're just stuck in token. So that's the point. That's why it's so simple. If I invest in some token, right? No matter it's an algorithm or I don't know, it can be the Supra, it can be the Cardano or Glimmer, and you invest in the wrong time. It's okay to say, hey, I made a mistake. I just bought a kind of high price. I'm just waiting. And if we get a chance to recover back my break even, I will take a look. Maybe I will out and re-enter in another token with the better entries. But if people just talking and start explain, no, I'm a long-term holder. You don't understand the how big this project. ZK Polyhedra was so fundamental project, and we dump it, scam it from $10 to I can't even imagine the price. ohm fundamental token, dump it from $10 to 25 cents. So ICP, scroll it left and take a look at the chart. So fundamental absolutely doesn't matter. What matters? Matter is liquidity inflow now in ICP. And yes, guys, I'm not blame the ICP. ICP is just simple asset for trades, and this token pumped pretty good one, 642%. My take for ICP is still the same. So where's that one? This is a global chart of ICP, right? No, let me check. ICP USDT, probably this one. Yes, here, rectangles. So this is a targets what I'm waiting for, and I think it's more than real to see that targets. It's not because I'm a fan of ICP. No, because it's realistic targets. So this is a most positive, most crazy A3 it's here, $200, but the most realistic it's $87, $91 for ICP. This run from the low, if this was a low, right, at September 23, it can be like 3,000% gains. It's amazing rally for ICP. So guys, just build the realistic price targets, and we need to break the structure. Now we trade again around fundamental value. Usually it's okay and the good time for investment, you know. So we already passed this one. So we dump on the fundamental value, trade it, accumulation zone, bounce away over exit line, drop it back to the fundamental value. So what is under? Under just here, we can say this weekly gap, 380, 325. If we will drop, it's okay. It's okay. It's more than real to see that target. But anyway, sooner or later, guys, we will bounce back, because every single token is just a pure speculation, nothing more. So if we drop, it can be probably the best one to buy ICP for target yearly open, $9.91. Definitely, if you will buy at even $4.58 at $9.91 at $10, you can withdraw your initial deposit. It will be not a mistake, because at that time we will see the crucial moment. If we reject, we will drop and maybe form another low. If we test, drop, hold the line, break, and go higher, we break the structure, you know, and go to 15, 57, 20, 98, and this liquidity 38. 3 targets now. Next step is here. So this is it. But guys, don't be trapped, you know, with all of this upcoming positive news for the altcoins, because the people shield the narrative about the super cycle since here, I guess, September 23. We are in the super cycle. You're not ready for this altcoins move. And what we see now. That's why, guys, just act like a trader and investor. Mark your in and out price targets, and don't fall in love in tokens, because you can be the hostage of some token for the next bear market, right? And now, of course, we dropped so low. Is it possible to drop under $2? Yes, but base it on risk ratio, risk reward. Now it's more than okay to take a risk for ICP with a target yearly open. Take profit $12, exit line $13.49. Daily, how low we can drop? On the daily, we can drop and test the buy line $3.50. Of course, this will be even better entry, but we can't know. Will we drop or not? Because we don't know. Will the United States drop the bombs or not? So that's a fact. And no matter what's fundamental behind the ICP, it's not affect the price at all, because the geopolitics, the world, the macro, that's what drive the market, not some fancy stuff what the devs and the team want to post on the website and show you the idea of our startup. 12-hour time frame, the buy line 356. Of course, would be good to see test and V-shape recover move. Monthly, there's no data for take profit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 months in a row we're going down. So anyway, we will see some bounce. We can't drop forever down. We will see the bounce. So believe it or not, again, even if you stuck in talking, if you even hate the ICP, because some people always complain. Someone defend the token and someone complain. So, oh, we're going down. You can always open short position and make your money. So pretty simple. ADZ direction market mood. And also, guys, yesterday I made a post. So yes, for some tokens, I'm also in losses, but I'm not blaming the token because I'm not falling in love in token, right? I totally don't care. I took my own risk and I accepted, and 100% responsibility on me. And daily time frame ADZ. Here was accumulation, and we formed that awareness. So here it was like 626. Now we traded 454, and we formed a huge awareness on a daily. Nice one. Weekly. This is accumulation. Last time when we saw this type of accumulation, it was here in June and summer 2023. So just use this set, zoom out and take a look what happened previously. Of course, it doesn't have to repeat, but it works. We are in capitulation zone. This is this is a time to accumulate based on direction indicator. Here, what we can form the divergence. It will be so ridiculous if we'll drop under $2.82. $2.82. Now it's 4.54. I hope not, and I hope we'll not drop and not form the huge divergence on a weekly. So, but now it's good time for accumulation. Finally, take a look, even on the monthly time frame, May 2025, May and June 2025, it's the depression zone, capitulation. We never seen this since May 2021, never. So now it's okay, time to buy ICP. Take a look, the money power and trade on. Here, it was a money outflow, now the money inflow. So step by step, the wealth accumulate. But wealth accumulate not for like 1,000% gains. No, they're more than enough for like 100%, 200, 300, 500 to fix the profit because the initial deposit is so huge. So this is a money inflow. Waiting once again, the money inflow would be good. Maybe I will not see this one. Money inflow. Sell. Of course, better wait the take profit signal from sell. Now we see only the buyback. Daily. Daily, guys. Here's a money in, recommendation close position, money out, MACD bearish divergence. Now we drop at the bottom. So soon, let's add alert to money power indicator, money inflow. Bam. On daily time frame. 12 time frame here, yes, money inflow. So well, step by step, started complete. I wish to see one more drop, and after that, some recover move on the ICP. If we track on the monthly, so yes, this one gap done. Wish to see this one. 350 is going to be just an amazing opportunity, but I'm not sure they will give you the chance to buy at 350. But you can add the orders 458. 349, for example, 2 orders. It's the logical orders with the targets, what I explained to you before. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what do you think about ICP at this current moment and what is your targets. If you would like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.